In this video, we are going to learn about how we are going to install NUXT in our application. Welcome to Minhaj Odyssey. Let's begin. The very first thing which you're going to do is to navigate on this page. This is the official documentation of NuxtJs. Here you're going to find every single detail to how to install NuxtJs and use an application framework. The second thing which you're going to do is to click on this button. There are some prerequisites to follow in order to install NUXT framework. You should have installed Node.js, a text editor, and a terminal. For the case of this tutorial, I'm gonna use VS Code as our text editor to demonstrate whole of the process. Secondly, you should also have installed the package managers in order to install dependencies for NuxtJs. In my case, I am going to use npm as a node package manager to install this. The next thing which you're going to do is to copy this command and paste in the terminal of your VS Code. I'm gonna copy this and I will paste it here. I will provide the project name like NUXT setup and I'm gonna hit enter. The second thing which Next gonna ask is about a small detail, that how you gonna build your framework. The first command which you're going to run is npm run build. What this command actually means is gonna build our NUXT framework. Now as my NUXT is built, the last thing which I'm going to do is to run this framework. To run this framework, the command which we going to run is npm run start, which is provided by NUXT here. Hitting enter. Now as it is clearly stated, our application is running on this board. Navigating to this URL, and as you can clearly see, our application is up and running on localhost 3000. These are the minimal steps which you have to follow in order to run NUXT framework and use as an application framework. If you like this video and think this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe, and please do follow my channel, as I am going to upload different videos regarding building applications on NUXT framework using Vue.js and different modern technologies.